I'm Demelza and this is Isaac. Like you possibly, I wanted to find a way to work from home, originally because of my health. I have autonomic dysfunction and connective tissue disorder. But then more recently it's because I wanted to be at home with my son. My degree and over 15 years experience is in video production, and I've had opportunities to travel all over Europe with that. And I've also had experience teaching various different subjects, and so I've combined the two things to produce creative online courses. So on this channel you can expect to see tips and tutorials on visual media such as video, photography, design, editing and things like that, as well as behind the scenes video or vlog of what it's like to be a mum entrepreneur who's building a business as well as raising a little boy. My hope is that in sharing what I've learned as well as my journey as a mumpreneur, that it will also help you with your business, whether that's through the tips and tutorials or whether it's just seeing somebody else building a business, because we all go through the same highs and lows. My plan is to post a new video every Monday, so if you're interested in building a business, especially if it's online courses, or you're interested in visual media tips or just what it's like behind the scenes of a mum building a business, then be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on what I hope will be beneficial content. So hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.